It's 2:45 p.m.
we go!
on a rainy Friday in Los Angeles. And he said to them, "Yep, I'm alone," as he scribbled on a napkin.
Come on!
He wrote, "Go outside, quiet, call 911. So colorful. But in that moment, I've never gotten a message like that, thinking that maybe whatever was on the other side of that text message was going to ruin my life. Jean-Michel Stahl, is my family okay? Next thing I knew, I heard commotion. He yelled across the bank to my dad, "Mr. Stahl, hang up the phone. She's on the line. It's a scam." I wondered, why would somebody choose a career path of scaring people like that and robbing them of their life savings? And just like my parents taught me what was possible for me in my career, thrive and meet their needs in the world. But as a career coach, I've learned that there are 3 key steps that you can take right now to make what I love to call a U-turn. But as a career coach, I've learned that there are 3 key steps that you can take right now to make what I love to call a U-turn. Maybe some of you know that you're hiding from the truth. But as a career coach, I've learned that there are 3 key steps that you can take. People don't like where they are. More than 70% of the United States is taking prescription drugs. Maybe some of you know that you're hiding from the truth. People don't like where they are. Maybe some of you know that you're hiding from the truth. People don't like where they are. More than 70% of the United States is taking prescription drugs. Who you are at age 25 is here's the truth of the matter. Clarity comes from engagement. So if you want to be powerful, look limbo, something that feels good. So if you want to be powerful, see what feedback the universe gives you.
Oh boy!
No. No. Correct. Looking and all the universe.
Oh no!
Oh no!
So now I teach. When I'm the most inspired, really ask yourself, what skill set am I using inspiration? At the end of the 30 days, meaning you let it work. Because here's the truth of the matter. Clarity comes from engagement, does not come from thought. Limbo, and he said to them, "Yep, I'm alone," as